Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time and today we're going to be drawing holy guacamole. So let's get started. To draw this cute avocado, let's first start by drawing its body. So I'm going to come right here at the top and draw a curve. So my goal here is to just draw this kind of pear shape. So I'll start right here in the center and I'm going to start to come down. And right here, come down on the other side. And so then right in this area, I'm going to start to come in a tiny bit, just give a little curve and then come out. So I'll draw this side first. And same thing over here. So it's all up to you how short or tall you want your avocado to be. It doesn't matter at all. About right there. I'm just going to go ahead and connect. So just make sure it's more narrow on the top and wider at the bottom, and that's all that matters. Okay, so go ahead and connect this at the bottom. So now that we have the body in, let's go ahead and bring this avocado to life. So in this area right here, I'm going to start and draw a circle for the eyes and come right across about right here. And draw another circle. And of course, let's make them drastic cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now we have that in. Let's come above each eye. We're just going to draw a small curve above each eye. And let's give our avocado here a sweet smile and cap it off. So then from there, I'm going to come about in this area. I'm going to draw the hands first. So let's say about right here. I'm going to come right across and give myself another point so I kind of know where the other hand will be. And I'm going to bring some hands that come to the center because this avocado is holy and praying. So right here, I'm just going to start to curve towards the center. About right there. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I have the hands in the center. Now I'm going to do draw a very simplified hand that's together. So it's kind of like drawing kind of reminds me of a sunflower seed. So it's just two hands put together. So the top is narrower and the bottom is thicker. And I'm just going to go ahead and shade that in and connect. So hopefully that looks like hands praying. Okay, there. So then now let's come to this area right here where the hand is and draw the wings. So I'm going to come right here and just pop out a small little cute wing and curve it out. Round it off right here. And bring it in with two curves. And you can draw some details in here if you like. And same thing on the other side. So, all right here. And the other one's over here. So same thing. Just come out of a curve. And two curves and bring it in. And same thing right here. Okay, so then, you know what, I'm going to round off the head a little bit more. Okay, so then now we can draw the halo. So right above the avocado, we're going to draw an oval. So right here, corners, and connect. And I'm going to come in here and just do the same thing once again, following the outside. And let's draw some rays from this halo. So say about right here and here. And one right in the center. Ding! Right? Okay, so then of course we have to draw the avocado seed. So it's just one big circle. So I'm gonna see, okay, this is way too small now. Let's see. I'm just trying to find circles around. These are all too small. This one's too small, but it's so much easier just to use this. I think I'll just use this. Or this. Maybe that's too big. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna use this because it's much easier. So, so if you're at home and you're drawing big, definitely just look for something that you can use. And I'm gonna pop in my seed about right here. Hopefully that's, oh wait, the center's right there. That's my line right here. I have a center line, duh. And, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead. There. I have my avocado seed. And now I'm gonna mess it up by going in there and making it darker. Oh my gosh, and I just did. I just wanted a guide so I don't mess it up too much. Okay, something like that. Now we have the seed in, and right in the center right here, I'm going to put a heart. I don't know why, I just felt I wanted to. It was so empty right here. I felt it needed a little heart right in the center. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the drawing. So let's go ahead and write the pun, which is holy guacamole. And I'm just gonna write it right under here. So I'll start in this area. I'm just basically going to follow this curve. And I'm just gonna do it all cap, make it a little bit easier. So holy. Okay, now guacamole. Now with G. Okay, so now I'm going to go up and I want to aim about this area. So as you're writing these words, if you're, obviously if you have a pencil, you can definitely just keep adjusting your letters until you have it right. Wait, I better not spell this wrong, guaca. But if you're just going to go and wing it, your goal is, if you're coming close and you know where you have to end and you're running out of space, just make everything thinner. But if you feel like you have a lot of space left and you need to aim for this area, just make everything wider. It doesn't matter. So that's how I usually do it. Guaca, so M-O-L-E. So about this area, okay. Oh my gosh, O-L-E. I think I made it right. Holy guacamole. Yay. Okay, so then now, if your letters are sometimes too high or too low, you just come in here, especially if it's too low, you can just come in here and adjust it. So you need it a little bit higher. So just a little tip when you're writing your letters. And hopefully that helps. And that is pretty much it for this holy totally guacamole, and I really hope you had fun and I made it easy for you to follow along to draw this cute little avocado. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.